Dem born am for America. Im papa na billionaire. Im mama die wen im dey just 10 years. Im drop out of university. Im papa vex. Im lose im first son. Im almost quit music, and today im don marry the love of im life, and im dey worth about 27 million US dollars. Dis na the full story of Davido, and I promise una, by the time I finish, you go either dey cry or dey dance. Come make I take you from beginning to the end. Davido Adedeji Adeleke, wey dem dey call Davido, dem born am for November 21st, 1992 for Atlanta, Georgia, United States. Im papa, Chief Adedeji Adeleke, na billionaire businessman and philanthropist from Ede, Osun State, Nigeria. Im mama, Veronica Adeleke, na university lecturer wey love music with everything wey dey inside her. Davido na the youngest pikin for 5 children, the last born for the house, and im mama love art and music. Na the first thing wey put music inside im blood. But tragedy strike early. Im mama Veronica Adeleke die for 2003 when Davido just dey 10 years old. Imagine 10 years pikin lose im mama. Dat kind thing, e dey pain reach bone marrow. And if you listen to Davido music carefully, you go hear dat pain wey im carry since dat age. Im mama die, but her love for music dey live inside Davido till today. Davido bin at ten d British International School for Lagos, one of the most expensive schools for Naija. Den for 16 years old, im papa send am go America to study business administration for Oakwood University for Alabama. But while Davido dey siddon for inside classroom for Alabama, something dey happen inside am. Im papa want make im be businessman, but Davido heart dey somewhere else completely. Im begin buy musical equipment for school, dey make beats, dey record vocals with im cousins B Red and Sinarambo. Dem form one small music group wey dem dey call KB International. Im papa find out, come vex. He no want im last born to follow music. Im tell Davido, you come oyibo land to come study book, no be to make noise. But Davido, e no gree o. Im drop out of Oakwood University, pack im bags, come back to Naija for 2011 to pursue music full time. Dis one na serious courage o. Your papa na billionaire. You fit just enjoy the money, live comfortable life, follow business. But Davido choose music, and na dat im decision wey change Naija music forever. Wow! But after im come back for Naija, im papa give am one condition: finish your education first. Na so Davido come enroll for Babcock University for Ogun State, and im billionaire papa even pay the university for am to start a brand new music department just for Davido as the only student inside the inaugural class. Davido graduate for 2015 with degree for music. Im papa pay university to open department for one person. Omo, if dat one no tell you say dis family get plenty money, I no know wetin I go tell you o. For 2011, Davido release im first single, Back When, feature Naito C. People begin dey notice am. But for 2012, wey everything don change, im release Dami Duro, and Naija never remain the same again. The song became instant anthem everywhere: radio, street, party, vigil. Everywhere you go hear Dami Duro. Im debut album Omo Baba Olowo follow for 2012 with hit songs like Skelewu, Aye and Gobe, and im win Best Newcomer for Naija Entertainment Award that same year. That is big. Then for 2016, im sign major deal with Sony Music and RCA Record one of the biggest record labels for the whole world. Im come find im own label, Davido Music Worldwide (DMW), and im sign Mayokun, Peruzzi and Dremo. Im release If and Fall back to back for 2017. If take over Africa and Fall become the longest charting Naija pop song for Billboard history, the first Afrobeat song to reach over 100 million views for YouTube. Pikin wey papa say make im go study business admin, na im be dis. But im story no dey all sweet o. Plenty drama dey inside. Im get 4 children from different women o, with so many controversies. Dem arrest am for 2017 when im friend Tabo Umenike dem under mysterious circumstances. Dat one na the darkest moment for im life. Na for im song FIA Fear na him turn im pain into music. Dat na real artistry. But all that na small drama compared to wetin happen to am for November 2022. Dis one break the whole Naija pipo heart when im lose im first son wey dey 3 years den for inside dia swimming pool for Banana Island for dia Lagos house. Nobody supervise the swimming boy. Dat na pain o. Naija pipo go silent dat day. Nobody party, nobody play music, nobody gist, everybody dey cry. Davido come go offline completely. Pipo come think say maybe e no go come back again. The grief too heavy dat time. But for 2023, im come back, release the album Timeless, and im come top global chart for weeks. Im turn im deepest pain to great album. Dat na real strength. Im come perform as the first African for FIFA World Cup closing ceremony for Qatar for 2022. And the love story, Davido first meet Chioma Avril Lowland for 2013 when she still dey school. Dem begin dey date for 2015 and dem go public for 2017. Im dedicate im first single Assurance to her, buy her Porsche Cayenne as her birthday gift, and im feature her for the music video. But the road to marriage dey rough o. Breakups, baby mama drama, public fight, infidelity, rumors, but through it all and the tragedy, dem hold each other tight. For 2025, dem finally marry. Proper traditional and white wedding, the most talked about celebrity wedding for Naija history, and God come bless dem with twins. And just this April 2026, Davido headline Coachella for America, the first Naija artist to do so, from that small university room for Alabama to heading to the biggest music festival for the world. God dey. He was born with money, but no be money alone wey make am who im be today. Im face a lot of accusation, heartbreak, public embarrassment, but im no give up. Every time anything happen to am or try to knock am down, im dey always go studio go release something to lift himself up. The man indeed is blessed. Which of im song you like best? Abeg drop am for your comment section. I want to know. If dis story inspire you, abeg like am and share the video, and subscribe to Naija Gist Central for more pidgin gist and story. Na me be Clara. God bless una and see una for my next video. It is sign out.